How to get paid for Reels on Instagram in 2023. So in this video, I'll go ahead and show you guys some information on how you can actually get paid for Reels on Instagram. So let's just go ahead and get right in. So basically, all you're going to want to go ahead and do is make sure you guys click the three horizontal lines at the top right corner on your profile section and go ahead and click on settings. Now, you guys have to make sure that you're actually on a professional account. So all you're going to want to go ahead and do is click add new professional account, or if you already have one, go ahead and click to switch to personal account or professional account. So what I'm going to go ahead and do here is I'm just going to press continue, and it should be the same as if you're creating a new professional account. Just go ahead and click what best describes you, as well as if you're a business. So I'm just going to go ahead and click creator because I'm just a creator of content, right? So I'm just going to wait for this, and then we're going to go ahead and press not now. So after you've actually, registered a professional account, all you have to do is go to the professional dashboard and then make your way down. You're going to have a few tools that can actually access. Now go ahead and go to tools to set up right here and click on monetization. So once you're here, it's going to say that if you're eligible or not to actually monetize your reels. It should say right here, but it says right here, I am not yet eligible. So basically, if I go ahead and click on bonuses and then I go ahead and click on learn more, here I should get a brief description if I will get paid for reels or how to get paid for reels. So here you can see it's going to give you, a brief description on how you can go ahead and get bonuses for your reels and make money and get paid for reels. So just go ahead and give this a quick read. It's very informational, guys. But with that being said, that's how you go ahead and get paid for reels on Instagram in 2023. And hopefully this information was extremely helpful. But if you haven't already, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you found this helpful, and I'll go ahead and see you guys next time.